Hello, my name is Chinglem Konyak. I am a student of Modern College Kohima and I'm currently in BS 6th semester. I'm also the current General Secretary of the Modern College Students Union. I would like to say a few things about this college. Now, these statements are not in any way embellished but are purely based on personal experiences. I joined the college way back in 2018 in BA first semester. Prior to that, I had never heard of the college. I didn't know where to enroll myself for the BA degree courses, so I just googled the best arts college in Kohima, and Modern College was one of the names that came up, and that's how I ended up here. In the first few months after I joined the college, I was unhappy and discontent with my decision. However, as time passed, I got along really well. Now it's been 3 long years and I've just got 2 months for my graduation, and looking back, I do not regret a thing. I've learned and achieved so many things from this college, be it big or small, and I'm very thankful to the college for that. Now let me highlight on the academic perspective of the college, since all educational institutions exist for this very primary purpose. One of the many good things about this college is how it focuses on the academic performance of the students. Now, me being the head of the College Students Union in the capacity of General Secretary, I have always maintained close contacts with other colleges and therefore know a few things about them. And let me tell you, my dear friends, to my humble opinion, Modern College far outperforms other colleges in this area, at least because frequent and vigorous examinations and tests conducted by college always ensure and encourage students to keep track of their academic performance in each semester. You can enjoy your time here with the activities like games and sports, cultural and literary programs, talent hunts that are being organized by the college periodically. You can have all the fun of your college life to the fullest and still perform good in your academics, because the college will take care of it, provided, of course, you put your genuine and sincere efforts. Therefore, my dear friends, I strongly recommend Modern College for the BA courses. Thank you.